I said hold it!
Master Fung, Master Fear, this matter does not concern you.
Oh, but it does. I would say he's a bit outnumbered, Hong. 10 against 1 is a bit unfair. If I were you, I'd be ashamed.
Ashamed?
Hold your tongue. That's enough. You tell Charu Kwai that I am taking responsibility to the boy, and if he doesn't like it, he can come talk to me.
Let's go.
Sammy, are you hurt?
Uncle, I'm fine.
Oh, you must say thank you to Master Fung.
Yes. Thank you, Master Fung.
You were doing brilliantly. Alone.
Thank you. You're very kind.
Your uncle called you Sammy?
Yes, sir. It's what I've always been called.
You are very good with your kung fu. I gather you have a great deal of training. May I ask the name of your teacher?
Sir, the name of my teacher is Tu Ling.
Tu Ling. Now it all makes sense.
Sir, you know my teacher?
Of course I do. I know him well, and I know you too.
You know me?
Yes, it's quite a coincidence. Indeed it is. Why, it was 20 years ago that Tu Ling and I were walking by the side of the road, and we found a small child, all alone, with no one to watch over his needs. And so we became his parents, and always will be.
Me?
Yes, you are that child.
Dad!
Now, stand up. There's no need for that. Oh, I would like you to come home with me. Your mother will be so excited to see you again. Juan? Yes? You may go home now. You have nothing more to fear. Oh, thank you, sir. Muchas gracias. You fools! 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 All of you fools! You went out to beat up one guy, and you came back here with your tail between your legs? You made a laughingstock of me!
Tell you what, man, we ought to go and destroy Fung's entire household.
There's nothing I'd like more, but now is not the time. I have other matters to attend to, but his time will come. Mark my words, he will die! You have won.
Thank you. An honor. He fought well.
Now I'd like to try. Have no fear. Use your best skill. I might be old, but I can still be useful. There's more room outside, don't you think?
Yes, lots more. The end.